Hello, this is Javin with AudioMediaProductionService.com. Today I want to go ahead and run you through a sound check in a live situation. Tonight the band that I have is called Taxi Driver. The lines that we'll be using, we have a kick drum, snare drum, hi-hat, high tom, second high tom, floor tom, and second floor tom. We'll have a percussionist tonight. So we'll have bongos and congas. I got congas over on this channel here. And then we'll have a bass player, a regular electric guitar, 2 key lines. I believe one's a Leslie. And then 4 vocals. And there should be 2 girls singing also. Just go ahead and stay tuned, and I'll get back to you when we actually do the line check. Thanks. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a sound check. Let's start with the kick drum.
I make my way back home and I learn to fly. Looking for the sky to save me. Looking for a sign of life. Looking for something to feel me burn out bright.
Okay, let's go snare. Just snare for me, real quick.
It should be coming in where it should be. Do you see it?
Are you getting 7?
7, dude. We need to label those for you. We'll label those.
Okay, hi-hat. Okay, rack tom 1. Hey Miles, do me a favor and switch. Hit your second tom real quick. Yeah, switch those 2 channels around for me. Okay, let's go back to 1. Okay, 2. Okay, let's do 3. Okay, 4. Okay, just a little of all the drums for me. Okay. Cool. Bass guitar.
You know that beat?
Okay. All that's coming correct in your ears. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Guitar. Play your guitar again.
It's blood sugar sex magic.
Better, Michael. Keep playing. Okay. Al, did you have enough guitar? You want it up? Good there? Hey, Glenn, do the bass again so I can get Al's monitor. More? More? Good there? You want him a little bit more? Okay. Good there? All right. Let's do keyboards. Let's do the Leslie first. Michael, do you have enough Leslie? You good there? Al, do you need more? You hear yourself? All right. Piano. Michael, you got enough piano? Down. Better? Al, do you got enough piano? Okay. Let's do vocals. We can start with Sarah.
If you are my loving, if you really do, then don't be afraid, baby. Just ask me. You know I'm gonna give it to you. Check, check.
You need that in the monitor up front?
She'll want it, yeah. She'll want it up there. What I do declare,
Can you hear it in there? Is there enough in there? Go ahead, Michelle. Plenty of Sarah?
Check. Got your arms, little boy, you're gonna get it.
Good there? Okay. You got enough, Al?
Test.
Michael, do you have enough Sarah? Okay. Let's Michelle.
Check. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see.
Do you
Check.
more yourself?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Tell me when.
Check. Test. That's probably good.
Okay, doesn't sound like it's gonna feed.
Okay.
Aaron, you okay? Or Al, excuse me. Al's good. Michael, were you good with Michelle? Okay. Glenn's vocal.
Keep your eyes on the road, hands upon the wheel. We're going to Roadhouse, gonna have a real a good time. We gotta roll.
Monitors with Glenn.
Roll.
You need more?
Stage bass. Stage right.
Down
Stage
for
right.
Michael.
For Michael. Gotta roll.
Okay.
I got
Michelle. You got enough Glenn.
big baseball. She can
Keep going, Glenn.
big baseball player back
Good
in
there.
high school.
You good, Al? Okay.
He could throw a curve.
Do Miles vocal.
Check. Hey. Who
Who needs more or less of Michael?
Hey.
I think it's
So
good.
keep your eyes on the road and your hands
You good?
upon
Can you put him in
the
the
wheel.
put all the boys just a little bit in the
We're going
this front too?
to the
Tell me when.
roadhouse.
Good,
We're
good,
gonna
good.
have
Yep.
a real
Al, you okay? Man, I
Good
must have nailed
time.
yours, Al. My guess must have been right. All right, Mike.
Save
Mike
me.
vocal.
Looking for a sign of
vocal.
life.
Check.
Looking
1,
for
2, 3,
something
4, 5, 6,
to
7,
help
8, 7,
me
6,
burn
5,
out
4.
right.
Check. I had a friend,
Who needs
was a big baseball player
down, Michael?
back in high school.
You good, Michelle?
Are you good, Michelle?
Up a little?
Turn it up just a little.
Turn it
1,
up just-
2.
That better?
Check, check.
Al, you good with him? All right, percussion. Let's do bongos. Michael, you need yourself more? You're good there? Okay. Anybody else need percussion? Al? Good there? All right. Let's do congas.
Yo, hey.
You need that down, Michael, or is it okay? Down? How's that? Good there? Good. Okay. Al, you go congas? All right. Sounds good. Now I think that covers everything.
Time off from that emotion. Time to pick my heart up on the floor. Oh, when that love comes down with our devotion. Well, it takes a strong girl, baby, but I'm showing you the door. 'Cause I gotta have faith. Ooh, I gotta have faith. 'Cause I gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. I gotta have faith, the faith. Is all I wanna do. You can climb the ladder, just don't rock the boat while I barbecue. All right, sing along. On a pontoon, making waves and catching rays up on the roof. Jumping out the back, don't act like you don't want to. Party in slow motion.